We told you we'd be back.
Heroes come and go. Legends remain forever.
You're in big trouble, mister.
W3L. W3L.
Well, welcome to another edition of W3L Wrestling Showdown. And as you can see, we are outside again. The weather not that great, but it's heating up in W3L. As we're about to get this match underway, it is, of course, Tier 0 Taylor Bryden against the Exile Luke Aldridge. The number one contender for the W3L Heavyweight Wrestling Championship is on a roll. The momentum is in his. There we go, we are underway. Call an elbow tap, no! Taylor went right for that. Taylor, of course, has picked up wins against the likes of Hugo Harris, Doug Williams, just to name a few. Went through a grueling, brutal tournament of the 7 Deadly Sins, defeating Craig Stevens in the final. And of course, that is still available on the W3L box office as well. Look at this now. Referee asking Aldridge if he wants to submit, and here's Zero now stomping on the arm, and Aldridge gets the ropes. Bryden has to break. Of course, the main event of Wrestlution is looking sharp, defending the W3L Heavyweight Wrestling Championship against Taylor Bryden. But let's talk a little bit of Luke Aldridge. Aldridge is going against the international star Buffa. He has been on a losing streak, has Aldridge, as of late. So not only a win here against Taylor Bryden, but a win against an international star at Wrestlution would turn his year around, would turn the luck, the run of bad luck that Aldridge has had in 2022 here in W3L. Of course, Bryden's going to want to keep that momentum running. Bryden has been in W3L for 17 years and has never main evented Wrestlution. That has changed come next month. And Bryden really going to town on that arm. Referee again is right there. Stay tuned, by the way, after this match. We've got another breaking announcement regarding Wrestlution concerning the W3L Women's Champion, Emily Hayden. And it's all stemmed from Frozen in Hell, again, available still on the W3L box office. Bryden wants Exile to get in the ring. That's the fans here calling the chicken. Aldridge taking exception to that, and here we go, a little cat and mouse now. Bryden had enough waiting. Oh, no one home. And now Bryden back to the arm. Aldridge now with that headbutt there. Sends Bryden over there. Nope. Bryden lands on his feet on the apron. Shoulder block. Sunset flip. Will he get him? Yes, he does. It's a 2 only. Snapmare by Bryden. Kick to the spine, and here we go. You have to wonder that one W3L heavyweight champion looking sharp is watching this. And look, oh, come on. Aldridge pushing the referee in the corner, causing Bryden to lose his balance. And why the referee isn't calling for disqualifications beyond me. Referee laying the count here. Aldridge greeting Bryden as he tries to get back in the ring. Now you can feel Aldridge building momentum. Very unique cover there. From face lock. Let's go for a suplex. Snap suplex indeed. You wonder though, we talked earlier about the win for Aldridge, how much it would mean for him, it would turn things round. What would it mean to Tier 0? Because to be honest, I don't remember the last time he did lose. And this close to resolution, that would kill all gears of momentum for Tier 0. Shoulder blocks into the corner. Here comes Aldridge, full steam ahead. No! Tier 0 up and over. That's a 2, and then Bryden runs into an elbow. Another stomp by Aldridge. Aldridge ticks all the boxes of a professional wrestler. Just a run of bad luck in 2022. He has the chance to change all that heading into resolution against the international star Buffa. And here's a trip by Tier 0 now. Gun wrench. Can Bryden get him? Aldridge trying to fight it, and he does, he gets him. You gotta wonder though, that took a lot out of Bryden. Forearm in the corner. Throws him out. Pupil Shining Wizard. 2 only on that exchange. Famous carry now by Bryden. Nope. The DD6 coming up, perhaps? No. Counters into a roll-up, modified version, and he got him! Bryden wins! And another loss for Aldridge. Well, ladies and gentlemen, your winner, the #1 contender, Tier 0, Taylor Bryden. As we roll on to resolution, stay tuned, as I'm going to give you some information about what happened between Emily Hayden and Brody Adler. Stay tuned. Frozen in Hell is still available on the W3L box office. One of the featured matches you can see is Nicole Yasmin against Brody Adler. Now, Brody Adler making her way to the ring, and as you're about to see, so is Nicole Yasmin. But someone else who made their presence felt was the W3L Women's Champion, Emily Hayden. Now, Emily Hayden believes that this is an Emily Invitational match. She had her clipboard in hand. Give me a break. Anyway, she finds a seat at ringside to start taking notes on who should face her for the W3L Women's Championship. She distracts Brody Adler here. Now, this is interesting because she distracts her long enough. Brody gets counted out, and Nicole Yasmin is declared the winner by countout. Now, Brody doesn't like that, grabs Wrestle Beach, to the annoyance of Wrestle Beach, hits her with the clipboard. Well, Brody just had enough and went absolutely crazy, grabbing a chair, chasing the W3L Women's Champion all the way to the backstage area. Now, later on in the night, banter with the Beach. Emily's back out with her guests, Nathan Reynolds and Mike Musso. More on that story later. But anyway, she's on banter with the Beach. Here comes Brody back out, still with the chair, chasing Emily backstage. And that, ladies and gentlemen, has caused this match to happen at Resolution on the 23rd of September at the Brunton Hall in Musselburgh. Doors open at 6:15. First bell is at 7. Tickets are available at W3LWrestling.com. And we will see you the 23rd of September in Musselburgh.